加奇迪約地平線上這個世界那些人，係由享受真正旅遊樂趣、探索世界之最嘅金怡假期贊助播映。
各位觀眾，上一回呢個人又係我啊！由莫斯科去到基輔，喺基輔發生咗2件慘事。第一慘，俾人當賊辦，喺邊境俾人扣留咗6個鐘頭啊！第二慘就係俾輻射嚇親，唔敢去核電廠，真係報應啊！之前俾個小丑人甩我底，今次輪到我甩人底。不過冇所謂啦，出得嚟行，最緊要好玩。又俾我喺基輔同埋布加勒斯特識咗一大班 friend 啊
！Hi Max，Artist Porter， nice to meet you。Pizza，OK。
今集都唔弱，我繼續喺羅馬尼亞嘅首都布加勒斯特識咗一個美女藝術家。
Good, perfect。
OK good。
8個酒肉朋友。90幾個吉卜賽人，
哇！第一次喺度咁多人打功夫，
同埋仲有一個最勁嘅噔公主，
上面有個皇冠，下面有個襟章咧，同呢個上面一模一樣㗎。The Poor Princess， 羅馬尼亞好出名 hit try， 我話要個窮公主陪我一齊揾順風車 ，come here。
有人話嚟羅馬尼亞只係為咗吸血僵屍。德古拉王子3世被稱為羅馬尼亞史上最殘酷嘅暴君。小說作家史托克以佢做藍本，寫出以棺材為床、以古堡為家嘅吸血僵屍故事。小說一炮而紅，吸血僵屍德古拉伯爵無人不識。再深嘅記憶都有淡忘嘅一刻，再輝煌嘅朝代都有沒落嘅一日。對德古拉嘅過去揮之不去嘅，大概只有佢嘅後人 Brianna 公主。
好消息，咁就係咧喺 Facebook 嗰度咧亂咁揾啦，揾咗有個女人咧，佢話咧佢係公主，佢係吸血僵屍嘅伯爵嘅後代。我都諗緊，佢係咪神經病嘅咧？咁但係冇理由佢咁快俾 response， 我唔去應佢㗎。咁同埋可能如果人哋係真嘅話，我唔去嘅話咪好蝕底。咁所以咧 keep 住你個 email 㗎。
Brianna，Priscilla，Nice to meet you. How we met?
Have you arrived okay? All fine?
Yeah, all fine.
Let's get together. We can sit and talk and see what you want.
Sure. You are a princess.
Yes, my family comes from an old Romanian family, old Romanian royal families. One of my ancestors was the man, the prince who inspired the story of Dracula. Of course, he was not a vampire, but he is the one.
Are you sure? Let me check. Let me check your teeth. Let me check your teeth. Oh.
No, I had them fired.
Okay. Do you still have a palace?
No, the communists took care of that.
Can we visit that by tomorrow morning?
Yes.
Okay.
真係明星嚟㗎，唔係講笑。
係喎，睇下我哋 Brianna，Princess Brianna， 人哋真係明星嚟㗎，邊個成日話佢扮嘢啊？
尋日公主Brianna 咧就話約我哋今日去佢一個朋友個 playground 嗰度，咁佢就話成日好多啲小朋友咧會去玩，因為我話我想嚟呢度睇吉卜賽人啊嘛嘅生活，呢度唔知係咪？好嘛，救下咯。
羅馬尼亞住咗最多吉卜賽人，喺呢一度可以令人對吉卜賽人多一啲了解。原來世上根本冇吉卜賽呢一個地方，只係因為從前嘅歐洲人誤以為吉卜賽人係嚟自埃及 Egypt， 於是就稱呼佢哋做 Gypsy 吉卜賽人。原來世上根本冇吉卜賽人嘅真正過去，因為有關吉卜賽人嘅文字記載非常有限，只可以根據佢哋嘅語言詞彙推斷佢哋係嚟自公元10世紀嘅北印度。原來世上根本冇吉卜賽人嘅真正家園。 因為佢哋係天生流浪嘅民族，散居世界各地。
尋日咧，我問阿 Brianna 咧，我話可唔可以喺呢度揾啲吉卜賽人住喺佢哋屋企咧？佢咧好緊張，我千祈唔可以。佢話咧唔係淨係因為擔心俾人偷嘢嘅問題啊，而係佢話咧喺吉卜賽人屋企住咧，你好難忍受佢哋有個味道。佢話好強烈嘅一個味道啦。佢話只要你喺嗰度住咗一日咧，之後咧你會3日都會 cover 唔到。叫我千祈唔好。佢話同埋當然啦，驚俾人偷嘢或者有啲唔誠實咧，佢話你要預咗。佢話唔係 bias， 而係一個 fact 咁樣。好似真係有啲臭味，我覺得。呢個就係阿 Brianna 個 friend 嗰個 playground 啊。Hi，有冇帶零食咧？好似冇喎，冇喎。維他命 C 糖得唔得？蛀牙你冇刷牙？Hi, where are you going? Play football? Where are you going? Play football? Here. Here. Can we join? Can I play?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, let's ask. Wait me. Wait them. They are old people. Walk very slow. Are you Romanians or?
Yes, I am Romanian. Yes, I am.
Is it the same as gypsy?
No.
No.
I'm not gypsy, but friend.
Some
My
of friends are
is,
gypsy.
Yes.
Okay, bring me to them. Don't play football now. Play later. Okay. 好鬼死無賴嘅啲人真係。Hello. Nice to meet you, Priscilla. Abby, you're Ami.
Yes.
So one in one. Ami, right here. Come here. 咁快嚇親人嘅。Hi, baby.
Baby.
Oh,
Nani.
sleeping.
Da. Sleep.
Oh, you got very beautiful blue eyes. Your eyes. 哇，咁抱極都唔喐嘅，點解？
Baby.
咁抱都唔喐嘅。You live here. Can we come in? Yeah, with them. Come in.
Problem.
Hello. No.
Problem.
OK。尋日咧，阿 Brianna 個 friend 同我哋講咧，佢話佢哋嗰個 playground 咧，其實咧係一個私人嘅 clubhouse 嚟嘅，全部入去玩運動咧都要俾錢嘅。但係因為呢度附近咧住咗好多相對地冇乜錢嘅人啦，特別係好多 gypsies 啦，所以佢哋可以俾佢哋咧免費入去裏面玩。而呢度附近咧係好多小朋友，佢哋全部咧會入去裏面踢波啊咁嗰啲。咁而家佢個 friend 未到，我哋唯有四周圍撩下人啦。佢話要錢俾 BB 食嘢啊！呢啲好正常，其實喺呢度。
Baby. Mangiare. Come on. Problem.
Okay, we go there. Walk. 咦？點可以㗎？好啦，我都唔知啊，唔識分我都。俾緊橋牌。What are you playing? How to play?
Да, мама леваса и кутода.
Oh, I see. One by one， 好似識玩啊喎！佢只不過大家互相揼個牌出嚟，鬥快砌到1至12。咁嘅人係咪啊？你嗰邊係咪有順序緊啊？上司？碰係喎，有啲碰我3隻喎有。I help you. Okay. I help you. Okay. Let me. I'm very lucky. What do you want, Jenny? Okay. 公仔 ，feel 下先。No， 好牌，Jenny， 哦 no two， 哦 two， OK，Amy， 哦，咦，我隻腳喐唔到嘅，哦 OK， 哦 太厲害。OK，and again，keep on and keep on and keep on。OK，it's enough。Are you okay? No. Okay. You're so beautiful. Very beautiful. 好靚啊！呢個女仔。
Magazine.
Want something to eat? Yeah. Okay. Choose.
See.
You take. Go take it. Go take it. What do you want?
小苗。
You OK。佢好怕醜，又好想要食，又唔好意思，望下我有幾多錢先攞而家得。嗱，唔好攞咁多啊。Yes。No。OK。你知唔知咧？我攞咗10幾蚊入去啦，佢喺裏面揀好耐，裏面咧最貴8個幾，佢最後揀咗呢一個。1蚊7毫，佢係揀全部中最平嗰個嚟食咯，但係攞咗好多個棒棒啊 ！Go share with your friend. Share with your friend. Go. OK， 拜拜，好可愛啊！我 target。Go. Thank you. You are now innocent.
Thank you.
OK, go.
Hello.
Querías soñar.